Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be unboxing this awesome toy. So let's get started. Open this up. Alright, so right here, right now, is everything we get inside the box. So we do get a manual, so it does tell you, but it's fairly basic. I don't think any of you are going to actually read this. But anyways, it's good. So it shows you exactly what you guys can do, so you don't miss out on anything. Now this is for kids 4+, and it does not come with batteries for your controller. So it doesn't come with those. It also shows you right here the cable that's hooked up to it. You do have to open it up, which we did during the whole setup. We do have to open that up, and then you guys are gonna see that it gives you instructions how to change the batteries of this guy as well. So there's quite a bit to do. So let's just get started. All right, so let's get started with the controller. To change the batteries, we do need a screwdriver. So get a screwdriver, open this up, and we have to open it up anyways. You know, take out, there was a cable there. And then all we need are just 2 AA batteries. So here's some AA batteries, just your regular batteries. We're gonna put them there, which is good. Sometimes they ask for AAA batteries, and those are not that common. So you just put them in there, then you close this up, and make sure use a screwdriver. Once that's nice and tucked, then we're done with the controller. Now it is on at this point, but we are gonna turn it off since the car's not on. So that's how you turn it on and off, just by flipping this upwards, because we're gonna see that light, that means it's on. But for now, we're gonna turn it off. Next up, we've got Mario. All right, so Mario, as you guys can see, it says remove. So that's because this will activate the batteries. So it does come with batteries. That's down here below. Just want to show you that. And want to show you that right here. There we go. I just really wanted you guys to see this. You guys do have to flip it. From right now, it's try. You don't want that. You don't want it off. You want it on. So just turn it on. So that's the first thing I have to do. So down here below. And then, obviously, we have to take this out. So as soon as we take that out, batteries will activate. And we're gonna take out this masking tape around it. There we go. All right. And before we do anything, actually, I do want to show you, although right now it should work. So if we turn this on, so controller on, here we go. It has to work right away. So that's what everyone does. Let's press every button so you guys can see. So with this button, when you flip, and then when you flip them back with the other one, flip them that way, and flip them up. That way, and up. So that's what we can do with the controller. Now, before we keep going though, let me just show you around Mario itself. You guys can appreciate that it's really well done. The car itself is really, really nice. And later on, you guys will see how fast it is. So we'll make it actually go so you guys can see how cool this is. But before we do all that, I also want to show you how to change the batteries, because at some point, this will run out. So on the back, you guys will notice this screw. So there's 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. So it's on this side. Let me just highlight that. Make sure it's off. So right now it's on. We're just gonna fully turn it off. So that's down here below. Just make sure it's off. So that's the middle. And then go ahead and open this up. So to change the batteries of your cart, gotta open this up. And it's not just 1 screw. That would be nice. It's these guys too. And then we're gonna get to see what's inside. That's whenever it comes to that. For most of you, it's not gonna come to that until way, way later. So here we go. So you guys can see the type of batteries that it uses. And that's right, it uses the Waze, which is perfect. I'm saying perfect because these are the easiest ones to get to. When they're AAAs or anything else, it's always a little bit of a hassle. But those are the batteries from your Mario Kart. So easy to change. There's a lot of them though. There's 6. And then all we have to do is just put it back. Obviously, it does suck that it comes with batteries and we can't just charge it up again using that cable there, but that was just to try on the car. That's all. That's the only reason that was there. So right now we're just gonna turn it on and down, keep it low. Just test it out with the controller. Turn on the controller. Everything should work. And now let's go ride this awesome dude. All right, so for this demo, usually I would put music or something like that, but I want you guys to hear the noise that it creates so you guys know what you're getting yourselves into. The wheels are smooth, so they're not gonna leave marks on your floor. And it is quite fast. So to move it back and forth, it's just this. Back, forth, back, forth, back, forth. Just put it in camera again. And then to make it spin, which is something very, very, very important in Mario Kart, it's this one. Or the other way. Also keep in mind that the wheels go like this. So that's something pretty unique about this car. And then if you move this like that, it'll go like that, sideways, the other way, sideways, the other way. So it's pretty neat. And you guys can go like this, or like that. Okay, you just get it back in camera. All right, so you guys can move it like that, like that. It's a little bit harder to actually navigate when it is like that. It's something you guys have to get used to. Going side to side is the easiest thing, but when you go forward or backwards and he does this, it's a little bit harder. Now I'm just gonna put the wheels back. There you go. And I'll let you guys see how this can move. Really nice. I'm just gonna zoom out a little bit so you guys can get to see a little bit more. It definitely is something you guys have to get used to, but it's pretty cool to play with this guy. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.